Okay, so I just wanted to give you a quick look at this video capture cards that I have right here. I actually bought two. I already had one, so I got a total of three. I got them because I run different cameras doing live streams, and this are fantastic for that. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up just to give you a quick look. Obviously, it comes like this, some paperwork and things like that. And this is the capture card. So essentially, what it means is that it's gonna capture the signal of your camera. Now, keep in mind that your camera needs to be HDMI clean and it has to have the specs to be able to stream through your computer, right? So again, if you have a camera that is not HDMI clean, what's going to happen is that you're going to see all the little information around the frame, but make sure that your camera is clean when it comes to that. And then essentially what you do is that you connect this HDMI to your camera. Maybe your camera has mini HDMI or regular HDMI, and then this section right here is going to be plugged into your computer. So essentially what's going to happen is the same thing that is happening right here. I'm able to bring a camera into my stream. Just want to give you a look from this side as well. So essentially I have a camera that I'm able to bring into my computer. And again, I actually have two of them, one here and one there. And in order to bring those cameras into your computer, obviously you're going to need a video capture card. And this is kind of like a really inexpensive way to do it. Again, for the price, you can't go wrong with this. In fact, I got two more just to have it here just in case.